In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and create a new workbook in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a fresh spreadsheet the right way and know what to expect as you move through the process. Start with Excel open on your computer. You'll see the ribbon at the top with tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. To begin, head to the File tab in the upper left corner. This takes you to Excel's Backstage view, which is where you manage things like opening, creating, and printing files. Think of it as the control center for anything that isn't directly editing your sheet. Once you're in the File area, look for the New option on the left side. Click New to open the Creation screen. Here, Excel presents a gallery of choices. You'll typically see a blank workbook at the top, along with a selection of templates for common tasks such as budgets, calendars, or invoices. Templates can be useful if you want a head start with structure and formatting already in place. For this walkthrough, though, we'll keep it simple and start from scratch. Select Blank Workbook. Excel will immediately open a fresh sheet with a grid of rows and columns. This is your new workbook, ready for data. You'll notice column letters across the top, row numbers along the left, and a name box and formula bar just above the grid. The active cell is highlighted. Type anything to begin entering data there. At the bottom, you'll see Sheet tabs. By default, your workbook starts with one sheet, and you can add more if needed later on. A quick orientation tip. If you're not sure where you are, glance at the top title bar. You'll usually see a default name like Book 1 until you save. It's a good habit to give your workbook a clear name and choose a safe location once you've started, especially if you're working on something important. Also, if your version of Excel includes autosave connected to cloud storage, you may see that toggle in the title bar. That's all it takes. Open File, choose New, and pick Blank Workbook. This flow is consistent across most modern versions of Excel, whether you're on a desktop app or the web version, so you can repeat it anytime you need a clean slate. With your new workbook open, you're set to input data, format cells, create formulas, and build whatever your project requires. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Excel workbook.